What? This is like version number 3 of me doing the intro after I'm done bowling? So what? It's dark outside? By that I mean it's 11 a.m. We're eating Chick-fil-A for breakfast. All right, so we got 6 games, break 6 games today, and my look in practice was not good. And these two guys over here think they're going to average like 230.
That's literally, you guys told me the count was going to be 250 over.
We did.
And I'm over here thinking I might be able to get to 100. So let's see how this works out. And we got 12 games to bowl. So bright. Another dad joke. All right, guys. Well, block 1 is thankfully over. I shot plus 20 with a 240 start. So we're gonna need a little bit better the back 4 this time. Chris?
Currently leading. I threw a bunch of different bowling balls, but the one consistent thing was throwing it slow, which I'm good at.
I'm about to give him the Hummer, Nick.
I gave him a Hummer. I gave him a slow curve. Get you about 90 over.
And Nick is 88 over and the number on the nose. So Nick's looking to do the same or more. I'm looking to do way more. And Chris is looking to do the same. So that's our block. That's our block 1 review right there. And now
They're tricky. There's so much urethane.
hopefully, yeah, there's so much urethane. So many guys are throwing urethane. I can't believe they would do that. So it's going to be block 2 of me throwing more urethane balls and maybe this counterattack I'm bringing out of the bag. But that's right, I'm bringing it out of the car. I'm bringing out the league ball.
It's not even that you're going to throw it. It's just a threat to your purple hammer, like, hey, I got this ball right here. It's reactive. Don't make me do it. And then the purple hammer will be like, yes, daddy.
So tell me if I'm the only one that does this. Have you guys ever put a ball on the rack to try and scare another ball into striking?
Yes.
Chris?
All the time. Yeah. Every block.
It's like you're close to a ball change, but this one is good enough. And it's like, I'm going to put this one right here, and you think about it for this 10 seconds, and then this one always, you never change.
Because if you don't strike, I'm switching to you. I'm putting you right in the bag. All right, block 2 coming in. We need a lot of strikes.
We're going to knock him over with our positive thought, though.
We're going to knock him over with that positive mindset. A little negative the first set. A little negative. We need a more positive attitude. And I need to stop watching all these lefties strike so much.
Just watch Packy strike.
I'm just going to watch myself strike.
What are you raising your eyes for?
Because I'm staring into a massive lens.
The first block went so well for you.
I can see it moving. Do that again.
Well, we continue it. Like, I'll go
It
from
gets
-10 to
closed and now it's open.
Yes, yeah, and you'll have a single block total for just this block. Still filming. What do you need?
I should drink a coffee.
If I go
I think I need a
first
coffee.
game, I'll be -63.
Yeah.
Batiste is the king coffee. He knows everything there is to know about coffee.
I love it. That's the problem is I do like a good coffee.
Now, when you're home, how do you make your coffee?
I don't make my coffee. I have a coffee machine in my
Is it just a Keurig?
No, it's one of those where it's got
Wait. You said you have a coffee machine in your bedroom?
Yes. So my bed. So
That's intense.
that's how much I like it. Like, so I've got the full spout, so it makes the the milk froth and everything.
Ah, you
I've
got
got-
a nice
I
coffee.
figured it was pretty intense. Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Katie for
So
getting that.
are you not an espresso kind of guy?
I can't do straight espresso black. No, that screws my stomach up. It's game time after that.
But coffee doesn't mess your stomach up?
Not
Cream or blacks?
say that again.
He's
Cream?
creamer guy.
Oh, a cream guy, dude.
Sugar?
No sugar. I can't do sugar. I get enough sugar from my food.
And Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
All right, so as I'm watching this and I'm editing this this video, I'm realizing that I've learned a valuable lesson this tournament, which is it's that the second block I should have done what Brad did. He just taught me a valuable piece of information here that during the second block practice session, he showed up on time, he was ready, and then I don't know what happened, but he didn't start practicing until like 6 minutes left on the 10-minute timer. So he just straight up skipped the first 4 minutes of practice. He crushed me the first game. I think he beat me by like 15 or 20. So going into the Masters, I think I'm just going to start skipping the first like 3 or 4 minutes of practice every round to try and keep the pair fresh. I appreciate you, Brad. Learn something new every day.
further away just in case to get it down there. I still got to read. Block recap. I went 200 and some over with a 177.
Wait, just this block?
Yeah,
Damn, boy.
and I had 40 in the fourth, game 3, and I'm like, it's gonna make or break my block here.
And then you
So you know
started
what
aiming.
So you know what I did? Grabbed the
aiming.
purple and threw it hard, and threw 4 of the last 6 for 177.
And that.
It was almost starting there. And then I'm like, it's time to collide with the collision. And I went 250, 250, 240 the last 3.
Bing, bing, bing. Oscar, how'd it go for you?
Didn't change balls.
You went thumbs up? What'd you do?
He didn't use his thumb. He's lying.
Purple hammy? Sure. How many games? All of them?
All of them.
Every single one.
I'm not a quitter.
You dick sandwich. How'd your block go?
Started off rough. I had
170, 170.
175, 174, yeah. And then I followed it up with 270, 270. 8 baggers. Yeah.
Okay, well that brings me to my point.
I'll tell you guys what I did this block. I made every single spare except the first frame. And I split 3 times a game and struck nuns. So, a short tournament here for me.
Yeah, so continue your thought.
Yeah, so couple tough pairs, couple like super tight down lane, lots of urethane. Couldn't get the ball up the hill, and then when I did, most of the time it flat 10. So, yeah, hopefully we have a better game plan for tomorrow. Drilling a fresh dart code, because the one that I was throwing tonight was getting a little lazy, a little tired. Lots of games on her. So we'll see. Probably going to throw urethane tomorrow because, I'm that guy now.
She's a party woman.